Alright, so I'm going to get back up that rope. And the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to bring this up with me, just this, and I'm going to leave this clipped onto this carabiner right here. So once I get up to the top, and you guys hear me shout, ready, I'm going to get one of you guys to clip this onto your harness, right? And it's going to be the gate, the gate's going to be facing you, just like it was for all the other ones. Yeah, it's going to clip onto this green loop right here. And yeah, so when I call ready, you guys can connect to that and I'll start belaying you up where you're going to be climbing. You guys are going to be climbing pretty much right up here. And then go a little bit further left of that ladder. That's the easiest route. You might get a little bit wet, unfortunately. But if you're looking to stay a little bit drier, you can kind of head up here. Does that make sense to everyone?
Yep.
Lovely. Hey, John, coming up. Got one thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get you to climb up first. And I'm going to basically just get you to come and unclip this for me. A little bit more slack on it the next time.
Oh, you want me to hook in now?
Just unclip it for me. It's a little bit different style, so you got to kind of pull it up, twist, and then unlock.
Okay, so is it going this way?
So pull it upward, twist, and then unlock.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, got that.
Okay, upward
Okay.
twist.
Yeah, so you got the gate figured out. So when I get up there and yell ready, then that's when you're going to disconnect it, clip it onto this green thing right here. Doesn't really matter where it's positioned because you're not using your cow's tails until you get up there, and then I'll belay you up. All right? Alrighty, folks. I'll see you soon. Once you get up to the top of that pitch, it's going to be everything but in reverse with those traverse lines, and then you're just going to wait up at the top there for me. All that makes sense? Yep. Perfect.
On belay.
Got you there. So you're safe.
You're right. Easy but wet.
Easy but wet. Exactly. Yep. Oh, before you take that off.
Okay, I gotta hook in. Hook in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just clip down on my side of the knot.
Yeah, so clip in on that far side there on the right hand side. There you go.
Skip a step.
Saves you transition.
Definitely. Alright.
Okay.
Safe.
Safe. Alright, you can disconnect now.
No. Okay, up.
There you go. That's it. Lovely. Thank you.
Alright.